This is a complete closed chain, unstable way to train. Alright, so all you're going to do, you're going to take your little strap, stick it through something, okay? I have an eyelet on here. You can use a, just drape over a bar if you want to, if you're at the gym.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm not on my edge. This is the yoga strap. I just have a bunch of these in here. I guarantee you like this way more than multi-hip.
Half of me wonders how they come up with this stuff, but I only worry about the results.
Okay, so your gym, set this guy up, it's about a foot off the ground, okay? They just adjust the height of your strap. That makes sense?
Okay.
So if you go to a Smith machine, you can just loop it over the Smith machine, you know what I'm talking about? A little like squat rack thing that's kind of in line.
Yep.
If you want, you can just go take the squat rack and loop over a bar of the squat rack. Doesn't make a difference. Just something that's on.
Right.
Okay. Leg goes in through here. Okay. So I am they. I made this up. All right. What you're going to do for me is arms by side. You want them by your side. Okay. I want you to tighten up core for me. Okay. Don't crunch. Just tighten those muscles laterally. Now, I want you to go up into a bridge. So nope. Off the table, so lift everything up. This goes off the table too. Up. Good.
Oh, use the...
Yep. Now, you have an imaginary rod running through this ankle, through the knee, through the hip, through the shoulder. Okay? And what we're going to do is, we're going to spin up around the rod, back to center. Hold on, don't come down.
Okay.
Stay up. Now down. Good. Now back to center. Up. Use your hands down. I want you to give support. Relax your head. Okay. A little bit up the hold on. A little bit higher from hips, not from your back. That makes sense?
Yeah.
I don't want you to arch your back to get up. We push up from the glute muscle.
Okay.
Okay, so from this glute. So lift a little higher. Good. Now, float this leg a little bit. Good. Rotate towards me. More. Good. Back to center. Good. Now down. Now you have a little tray of cookies. Okay. We're going to spill them to the side. Back to center. Spill them to that side. We're not moving a ton. You don't need 45 degrees. And we're not arching the back to get there. Rotate down. Center. Back up to center for me. Good. Back opposite side. Good. Relax your head. Center. Back over the side.
Alright. How can I tell if I'm arching my back or not? I mean, that really hurt my hip muscle, but like really use this, but...
What, use these guys up here?
I felt it in the groin too, like right.
Don't watch it. What you're trying to do is a little bit, you're trying to reach with this leg, don't watch it. Just keep this guy here. So come back up for me. Okay. Don't move this leg. Just rotate the pelvis. Does that make sense? Feel the difference with that? Now what I like to do is kind of have you actually put a thumb here, so lift back up, kind of guide the pelvis a little bit. So rotate towards me, the pelvis, not here. Does that make sense?
Okay, so like this, well, hold on. So like, I'm in the bridge position.
Mm-hmm.
Here's the pelvis, I can feel it here and
Yep.
here. So I'm taking the whole pelvis like this.
Yep, exactly.
Like,
just like that. You should feel these guys kicking a whole lot right there.
yeah.
Yeah. So you're doing hip rotation.
I should be able to...
You'll feel these guys kick on, and also some guys running through here. Yeah. Okay. I want your shoulders down on the ground. I don't want you looking up like that.
Oh, okay. So...
Okay. Just like that. Yeah, you got it. Okay, now.
Does that look good? Just...
Yeah.
Okay.
Back come up a little bit higher, but I slow down though. I don't want you flopping around.
Right,
I want you to control it. Okay, the DVD I'm going to give you, the girl's got a medicine ball on this leg. You can do that too. Medicine ball will be solid, right? It would elevate your leg, but it would hold it. This guy is a little more unstable, make it a little more challenging. If you notice, wow, I'm not ready for that yet, fine, stick a ball under here. It's fine.
Okay.
Okay, or a step, or a bunch of books, or a duffel bag if you guys are traveling. It doesn't make a difference.
Okay.
Okay, got that?
Yeah.
Leg stays in here. Turn towards me. Good. Wear your side. Okay, this leg goes like this, straight. Okay, you're on your side. Straight your side. Like that. Just lie down. There you go. Arm goes out in front. Okay, push it for me now. So arm goes here. What you're going to do for me is you're going to push down into the strap with that leg.
So like
Push your hip, push your shin down into the strap. So your body actually lifts up off the table. Oh boy. Push more. No, no, no.
I feel like I'm rotating.
I know. That's what you have to control. But you use this arm to help you. Okay.
I'm supposed to, from this position, lift my hips into the air.
Yep.
Okay.
Go forward this way. Okay, I'm gonna help you. I'll guide you. Push down into the strap. Push. Come on, push. Push. Perfect. Good. Control coming down. Stay here. Lift. Control down. Good. Excellent. Lift. Control down. Way better than multi-hip, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so now you're having to control rotation as you're moving into abduction.
So if I just keep this arm here like this and I'm leaning into my shoulder, that's fine?
Yep, in fact, I want you to use this arm. This will help you.
Okay, so I'm just like keeping my feet like pretty much on top of each other.
Yep.
And just in this plane, up, down. So like that.
You got it.
And down. Try not to just keep my hips straight as possible.
You got it.
Alright.
Okay, now, stay there. Roll to, keep your leg in here, but swing to the opposite side for me. I should mention this too. Right now, I'm okay with this leg being in contact because you're starting these guys out. After a little while, I want this leg to be not touching it.
And then move.
Keep going, same thing. Just it makes it watch. Try it if you want to. So I'll let you right now keep that top leg in contact, right?
So like this. So here I'm doing it, the hip, like, I feel like I'm rotating a little bit.
Yeah, scoot back. Scoot your shoulders back a little bit.
Like this way?
Yeah, scoot your shoulders, shift them back. There you go. So roll forward. Okay, so do what you just did. Same thing. Push, 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 push. More, more, more. Good. Back down. Now, keep your leg out. And try. Out. Come on. Up here.
Out, right.
Keep it out. Push, push, push. They're almost really hard now. They're too hard right now. It's later. Okay.
Okay.
Turn towards these guys. All the way on your side. Okay, now work in the opposite direction. Now you want to shorten your strap a little bit for this one. Raise the leg up a little bit for me. Okay, you want to scoot down a little bit. Towards me.
Towards you, okay.
Okay. Line down. Arm moves out in front of you, just like you just did before. Left arm out straight in front of you, 90 degrees. Left arm.
Right.
And now pull into the body. And come up.
Pull in.
Like pull the leg down.
Okay, yeah.
So you have to come
So
off the table.
hips are coming off the table. Okay,
Yep.
I got it.
Perfect. And back down.
Jeez.
And again.
That's.
And back down. Do me a favor. Don't flop down.
Oh, right.
Okay, now, if this is too hard, scoot down towards me again. Like about a foot. If we take this line and bring it closer to your body, actually, maybe it's a little less. I just decrease the lever arm you have to worry about. Does that make sense? Try that. That should be easier.
Okay, so that's like. I should be like down here, right?
Right.
Should be this way,
Yep.
plane.
Good. See, that's a little bit easier than that?
Actually, it seems a little bit harder, but I don't think going as far.
Yeah, I think you're probably going as far.
Okay. Just making sure that this hip is.
Yep. So again, you're controlling rotation as you're working on adduction. So we're working muscles which control what? Which control,
The glutes.
okay, hip extension. Okay, the first we did was having you basically come to neutral, right? Because you start out here, we go up into extension to neutral, and then I have you rotate, control external and internal rotation, okay? Next one we do is have you on your side, working on abduction, okay, the muscles on the outside here, okay? And now this is adduction, working muscles on the inside. And so you're having to stabilize rotation or extension all three of these exercises at once, okay? We're not doing 100 reps each one, okay? We're just doing 3 sets of, actually we want to do 30 reps total, okay? You might want to break this up in sets of 5, and I'm totally okay with that.
Okay.
Okay? Again, the key thing is the hips moving, not the back arching. Okay?
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah. So hips just basically, if I can think of the hips in this plane is like a line, like a piece of paper. However you want to think of it, plane, and that's like perpendicular in this dimension to the. This is basically what I'm going for. So that's why I kind of have to imagine as I position myself, so I have that picture.
You got it?
Okay. So that's like again like I'm not moving. I'm moving this way. It's like that. It's like counterintuitive because what actually happens is that this comes up a little bit, but you're actually using the muscles this way to move it.
Exactly.
That's why it feels weird to get started at first.
Yep. You get more left real quick.
Okay.